Hey everyone, it's Fishing with Austin here. I'm here at the Neuse River and we're getting ready to go fish some creeks for some bass. The bass are biting right now. We have been known to catch a lot of multi-species. We've been catching crappie, trout, redfish. So hopefully we can catch all those, but mainly we've been catching bass. The cold weather, they're starting to move up in the creeks and they're starting to feed up on shad, get ready for the spawn, fattening up for the winter. So we're gonna be throwing primarily a lot of spinner baits today, seeing what we can catch. They're feeding up on shad. We know what they're eating, so we're just gonna catch some spinner bait bass. So, but hey, they already sound aggressive. So, yeah, there you go. Brought my scale with us in case we need it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Dude, that thing's staying down. What'd you hook? Oh, bass, nice.
On the bottom of the whip.
There you go again. First fish of the day.
I caught the first and last fish today.
Give me one, give me one. Oh, not a bad one, bro. Oh my God, man. Jeez.
I caught like 5 of these.
That is not a bad one, man. I'm about to put on spinner bait. I really would love to get a topwater blow up though.
Scale?
Yeah.
It happened.
I've had it for...
Buy one of those.
All right, hold on. We gotta get a... There you go. Nice one. That'd be a good thumbnail. How do I replace... Okay. It's a watch battery.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. It was a striper, I saw it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're schoolies, bud. There's a bunch of them, I bet.
There's one. Keep doing it. I got one on mine too. You got him?
Yep.
Dude, nice. I'm gonna throw on him.
More than likely there's more.
Wow, man. Cool. Wow. That is a big boy.
Oh, yeah. Huge, man.
Wow.
Come on, come down.
You don't want that. Look at that pig. Love it. That thing's a beauty. I hope we catch more.
I don't have much on the river off in the last 2 days. I got the bass.
You got the bass thumb. Come on, give me one. Blow up on it, don't they?
Most of the time it's like back to back too because it's so full of them. They're gonna start hitting yours now.
Oh yeah, I see him swirling. Oh, he's starting to bite mine. Come on, boy. They have terrible aim. Hey, I finally got one. It's okay, it's okay. Don't jerk it. There you go.
It was right around my foot.
Oh man, this thing's awesome. This is crazy. Get in here, boy. Oh, look at him. That's awesome. Oh, where my pliers at? Nice. How you doing? Nice. Be free. I got you.
That's his hole.
I got you. Get in here, boy. Dude, this is a big one, whatever this is. Dude, this is a big one. What is this thing? Big old bass. Oh, get in here, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Big old boy. We did good coming back here, didn't we? Be free. He was out deep, bro.
Oh, was he?
Try and slow roll yours. I caught him off the bank and deep.
That's all right.
Oh, he didn't even say anything. I didn't know if he had one or not.
No,
I was like, what's he doing over there? Another solid 2-pounder, dude. Look at that thing.
I couldn't tell you
What a
got
chunk.
from. That's what that
Where did he strike at?
was. Right there at that stump.
At the stump?
Yeah.
Dang, man.
How to be secretive, man.
Gotta hide it from me.
First I want to
Oh yeah? You got one.
Huh?
Oh wow, he got him.
Yeah, I got one right on my tree.
Nice. Yeah, you're up there keeping it under wraps, aren't you? Got him. Get out of there. Oh. What is this, a pike? Pickerel?
Yeah.
No, it's a good bass. Thank you. Have a good day.
You got 2 holes in his mouth?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure I got that one. Look at his belly. I'm pretty sure yep.
Oh my
Belly red?
God, he crushed it.
Is his belly real red?
Yeah, it's getting there. That means he's getting ready to bed down.
I got you.
They
I noticed it on the one I caught.
their bellies and their fins will get raw from it looks like a bowl, you know what I mean? I'm sure you've seen a bed before, but they rub the bottom, clearing out a spot for them to lay their eggs. That could work. Oh, there we go.
That's trout.
I thought it was.
Or not trout.
Call it a green trout.
For some reason the mouth looked like one, the white belly.
Well, he was long and slender. Little chunky monkey. Yeah, man, you can wipe out a bass spot, come back 10 minutes later, and they're right back where they were.
I like that.
It's awesome. Birds of a feather.
Good video. That looks good.
Creeks, man.
All that grass and stuff.
Oh, this is a big one. Dude, that's a big one. I don't know. Dude, that's a big fish. Oh, stay down, stay down, stay down. Here we go, here we go, here he comes, here he comes. Oh, baby. That's what we want.
Heck yes, I wish you had your scale.
I do too. Woo! Big old boy. Woo! 3-pounder, solid 3.
No, that's more than 3, man.
Woo! Yep. I know it in my heart. Oh, baby. And I was recording. I love it. Yes, sir. Yep. Be free.
Well, I hope these 2 days out here has changed your view on this creek.
I love North Carolina now. I don't hate it anymore. Net? Being netted up? Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's a good one. He's a good one.
I think I had it set to use my bait cast.
Bring him to me. Dude, that's another big one. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Bring him to me, bring him to me. Oh!
Got him.
Oh!
What?
I saved him with the net! Wow! Dude, that one's a freaking 5-pounder. Oh!
Glad I weren't on.
I was. Don't worry about it, bro. I'm here to catch your fish, man.
Thank you.
Dang! Look at that. I caught him in the net.
Now
Wow.
that is a 4, 4.5.
Yes, 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 yes.
Guess
Wow.
what, buddy?
Look at that. Love it. Be free. Oh boy. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. I can't get over the chunkiness. The chunkiness of the funkiness. Do what? I'm thinking that too. Be free. Oh my God. Dude, get the net. Get the net, I'm not kidding. Oh my God, get the net, please. Oh my God. Dude. Oh my God. Come on, come on, get under, get under. Oh my God. That's a 5. Oh my God. Look at this pig. I've never had this good a day ever, bro. Will you get my pig for this? freaking pig, man?
Anytime. Hey, good thing on the front.
You throw up in there. Get him in here. Oh, he unhooked himself. Made it easier for you. Chill out, little buddy. He bit me. I picked him up and he bit me. Fucking hit me, thing. Get way back up in there.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, this dude's pulling. He ain't happy. Don't jump, don't jump.
That just makes me wish I didn't sell my 15-foot John Deere.
Oh, what a pig. What a pig.
That's a bad boy.
Quit trying to eat my freaking paddle tail, dude. I had to pull it out of his throat. I love little chunks. I'll catch these all day, man. These little chunks.
Right there, man. If you're gonna keep any of them.
Oh. God, he hit the crap out of it. Hit the crap out of it. I mean, look, man, he's freaking swallowed the freaking spinner bait. Freaking swallowed it. Be free. Oh my God, yeah. Oh my God. Yep, I watched him come out of there and eat it. God, I hope no one's watching this. Doubled up. Oh my God. Look at this freaking thing.
It's a pickerel.
You have a pickerel?
It's a pickerel. Too fast for your dad.
Mine's a huge pickerel. Where's my pliers at?
Are yours a pickerel too?
Yep. Yeah. Oh. Dude, this one's big. Dude, this one's big.
Absolutely.
Hey, I need a net. Need a net. Oh, never mind, never mind, never mind. We're good, we're good.
Hey, we got a couple probably around.
Oh.
Killers throughout the whole creek.
God, he pulled good. He pulled bigger than his means.
Swam up the bank. Nah, he's not that. He just pulled real hard. He swam up the bank right there.
You gotta love the insurance of a net.
Yeah. Especially a good net guy. That's a hard thing to find.
There you go. You want to throw him back or you want me to throw him back? Get back. I'm gonna untangle you.
I only got things on a nylon net.
Mm-hmm. Give me rent. Right there by the sign, dude. By the buoy. They're by that buoy. They're by the buoy. Come here, boy. Come here, little boy. Tug is a drug, and I'm addicted. There he is. Bye-bye. He came right off that thing, dude, and just smoked it. Maybe they're schooling by it. I think this is it. What do you think? There's that windy bank over there. Might have fish on it. All right, everyone. So we had a pretty good turnout today with fish, as you can see. I'll never live down him the fish getting off his hook. He didn't lose it, he got it, and it falling right into the net. We had a pretty good day on the Neuse River fishing the various creeks and stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. We're gonna try and make some more videos and get out here and fish more. So stay tuned, click the notification bell, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, we'll see you later.